Okay, we're going to listen to the video real quickly for BLAST.
You've already learned that the C and K are two letters that can spell the consonant sound K, as in cat and kit.
In this lesson, we're going to learn that the digraph CK is the third way to spell the K phoneme. Remember, digraphs are two letters that work together to spell one speech sound or one phoneme. There are some special things to learn about this digraph. Let's explore them together.
In the digraph CK, the C and K work together to spell the sound K. When we see the digraph CK, it makes just one sound, K. Let's look at the word duck. Duck has 4 letters, but just 3 sounds, D, K. The final speech sound K is spelled with the digraph CK.
Think about the word lock. Lock has 4 letters, but just 3 sounds, K. The digraph CK is making the sound K.
The digraph CK is never used at the beginning of words. Let's take a look at the word trick. Trick has 5 letters, but just 4 sounds, T, R, I, K. The digraph CK is at the end of the word, and it's spelling just one sound, K.
Words with the digraph CK follow a regular spelling pattern. If we hear a short vowel sound and the very next sound is K, we will spell it with the digraph CK. Let's think about some words and see this spelling pattern in action. Think about the word neck. Neck has 3 sounds, N, E, K. I hear a short E sound in the word neck, and the very next sound is K, so I'm going to spell it with the digraph CK.
Now let's think about the word clock. We hear 4 sounds in clock, K, L, A, K. What vowel sound do we hear? I hear a short O sound in clock, A. What is the very next sound? The very next sound is K, so I spell it with the digraph CK.
What about the word truck? Truck has 4 sounds, T, K. What's the vowel sound in truck? That's the short U. So if I hear a short vowel sound and the very next sound is K, I'm going to spell it with the digraph CK.
There is one more important thing to learn about the digraph CK. The digraph CK can help us predict the vowel sound. When I see the digraph CK, I can be pretty sure that the vowel sound in that word will be short. If I see the letter A before the digraph CK, I know it will make the short A sound, ah. Or if I see the letter E, I know it will make the short E sound, ah. Think about this while looking at the words deck, sock, and track. In each of these words, I see the digraph CK, so I know these words will probably have a short vowel sound. Deck has the digraph CK at the end, and thus it's going to have the short E vowel sound. Sock also has the digraph CK. Therefore, I know the vowel sound will be the short O sound. We see the digraph CK at the end of track as well. So we can predict that it's also going to have the short A vowel sound. It's important to remember that when we see the digraph CK, we can predict that the vowel that comes just before it will be short. When we see the digraph CK in a word, we know to read it as just one sound. And we will also know to read the word with a short vowel sound.
Okay, so we're going to practice right now, and we're going to touch and say each one. So this word is stick. So let's do it. Now the next one. Sh, a, k. What's the word? Shack. All right, let's do it again. Remember, it has to have a short vowel sound. D, and that's ah, k, dock. Next one. O, I, k, lick. The next one. B, And the next one, do it with me. Ek, neck. Look at all those new words you learned how to spell today. Here we go. J, juck. Ack. Remember, some of them are made up words, and then it's just helping you to remember that if it's a CK, the vowel's always that short sound. Okay. Z, ick, zick. V, ak, vok. Next one, k, ek, kek. All right, good job, you guys. See you tomorrow.